of delicacies on the plate. Today I am going to make stuffed tomato gravy. Yes guys, this recipe I had learned from my mom and she used to make it delicious. Just go through the ingredients, follow the recipe, and I'm sure you will love it when you will prepare it at home. To make stuffed tomato gravy, I'll just make first cavity into the tomatoes with the spoon. I'll remove all the pulp from the inside the way I have done in this, so that I can fill in the stuffing. Now for stuffing, I have taken one boiled potato. I'll just mash it up. Here there is 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of chili paste. In this I'll add around little bit of coriander, and rest I'll keep it for garnishing. Then little bit of cumin powder, crush some black pepper, and little bit of salt to taste. That's it. So I'll now just mash this up very nicely. Add little bit of amchur powder, mix it well. This same recipe you can follow up with peppers. It will also taste very nice. Further, you can also add cottage cheese or just cheese. It's up to your choice what stuffing you're using. I'm just keeping it at basics. Now I'll fill this into the tomatoes. Now you can see the tomatoes are well stuffed. I'll keep this aside. And now I'll prepare the gravy, for which I have taken one big onion. I'll take around 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, and I'll grind this all together. In a heated saucepan, add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil gets heated, add around half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of. When the cumin seeds splutter, add chilies, green chilies, red chilies, you can prefer as per your choice. Add the ginger, garlic and onion paste. Once the paste is done, add the dry spices, that is 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add all to it and mix it well again and saute for around 30 seconds. Once the paste is done, add the tomato juice what I had removed from the tomatoes while stuffing, along with one small tomato. Add all to it and cook till the tomatoes get cooked and starts to leave oil from the sides. Now once the tomatoes are cooked, add the stuffing which was left out, or you can always see to it that you make it extra. Just add to the gravy. It will give a nice thickness and nice texture to the gravy. Now mix this well along with the curry. Once the paste is done and tomato stuffing is also mixed into it completely, add around 1.5 glasses of water and let it come to boil. Add salt to taste. Once the gravy comes to boil, slide in all the tomatoes into it and simply boil it for another 4 to 5 minutes or till the tomato is tender. Don't overboil it, otherwise the tomatoes will just spread across, will just tear off and spread across in the gravy. When the tomatoes are done, just sprinkle the coriander leaves, the freshly chopped coriander leaves, and it is ready to serve. If you have liked this video, click on like and share and subscribe for more delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate.